During this period, individuals with disabilities were made fun of and mocked for their deformities and behaviors. Will this be letter A? Early beginnings of special education. Letter B, era of extermination. Letter C, era of ridicule. Or letter D, era of asylum. What is this? Okay, nagkaroon kasi ng iba't ibang bahagi, no? Or iba't ibang periods yung ating pong special education. So ang tanong po dito, during which period daw po yung pinagtatawanan at kinukutya yung mga taong may disabilities dahil sa kanilang deformities at behaviors. Okay? Letter C, ang sigaw ng Team SPLE, no? Era of ridicule. Okay? Of course, tumpak na choice po natin is letter C, ridicule, no? When you ridicule someone, ibig sabihin you make fun of that person, you mock that person. Kinukutya mo siya, pinagtatawanan mo siya, no? You are ridiculing that person. Okay? So letter C is the right choice. Let's take a look at your next slide. Okay? So ito po yung history of special education. Nag-umpisa po siya sa era of ridicule, then extermination, then asylum, then eventually, nagsimula na po yung ating special education. Okay? So ito nga po yung ating hinahanap kanina, era of ridicule, no? Those people with disabilities were the object of mockery and ridicule, di ba? So pinagtatawanan, kinukutya sila, no? So that's your first, no? The first era. Now, second one, era of extermination, no? So tinitingnan sila, nakikita sila as burden, di ba? Pabigat sa ating society, no? And so they were subjected to cruel treatments, including in some cases being killed or abandoned, di ba? So extermination, di ba? Para siyang Terminator, okay? So pinagpapatay sila, no? Ina-abandon sila. Yan po yung second era natin. Then third, no? You have era of asylum. When you say asylums, they were poorly equipped, and they also lack proper care. They isolated individuals with disabilities from society. Kumbaga, meron silang sarili nilang mga hospital, di ba? Meron silang asylum, no? Mental hospital. Okay, so that's the era of asylum. Alright, so ridicule, pinagtatawanan, extermination, iniiwan, ina-abandon, or pinapatay, sinasaktan. Era of asylum, hiniwalay sila sa ating society, no? So wala silang proper care, poorly equipped, yung mga centers, no? And eventually, nagkaroon na nga po ng shift towards more humane treatment and recognition that these individuals could learn and they could benefit from proper training and from proper education. And so it started, no, our special education.